guys, sorry, there's gonna be no relaxing sounds videos for a long while, mainly because of school. There's some other reasons in there, but let's just get started with crochet relaxing sounds. Starting off, another reason why I'm probably not gonna be posting often is because why is that so good? I'm going to be making another one of these guys, but not to keep, because I love my Pierre. You're awesome. But I'm going to be making it for someone. So, cool beads. Seriously though, why is this so nice? I'm in crocheting as well, and I'm in this crochet club in school. And, okay, I don't want to tell you too much, because it's kind of like personal, but yeah. Cool beads. Next up, easy peasy yarn. This is probably some of the best relaxing sounds I've ever done. And the best part is, there's no mouth sounds, so I like it as well. And whenever I watch my videos, I never get, like shivers, tingles, all that kind of stuff. But you guys say you do a lot. So maybe I'm going to get some by this video. I might have to make a short about this, because it's like way too good to just pass up. This looks like a little bit of a swirl there. Next up, we got stitch scratching. You know it, you love it. It's probably one of my more common crochet sounds. Oh my gosh, I forgot one of the best ones. Okay, give me just a silly second. What the heck? What did I get here? And last but definitely not least, a platypus. Oh, what's this? Barry the platypus! But Barry the platypus, I never expected you to just barge into my video like this. Oh, are you stopping my evil scheme? Oh, you sly little platypus. Yeah, my evil scheme, is... My evil scheme is probably not counting my stitches after crocheting. Bad habit. Oh, I deserve that. Very the relaxing platypus. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I hope you have a great week, because I'm probably not going to see you till then, sorry. See you in the next video. Goodbye.